You're not an amicus. I have not appointed.
No, I am appearing. I am not interested
You
in.
please sit down. I'm warning you. Mr.
What were to
Mathews,
say?
I'll have to have you removed. Yeah, look at it this way. Both ways. Let's
I
put
got
it
it.
1 second. Let's put it both ways. We can't, today you are right, absolutely, that we can't say that the leak, we can't enter a judicial finding that the leak is confined only to Hazaribagh and Patna.
Correct.
For the reason that the investigation is ongoing.
That's right.
Even CBI can't tell us that. Today, as of now, it is confined to Hazaribagh and Patna. CBI's investigation in the next 15 days or 10 days might reveal a different, an evolving picture.
10 more locations.
So we also, on the one hand, can't say that the leak is confined only to Hazaribagh and Patna. Equally, we can't today say with any degree of even prima facie authenticity or substance that the leak has gone beyond Hazaribagh and Patna in such a widespread or a systemic manner as to completely affect the sanctity of the entirety of the exam. That also we cannot say. Therefore, I asked you that's why we want your assistance. Can the court or would the court be justified in a situation like the one present to say that not on the basis of material which we have today, but on the hypothesis that some material in the future may show that the leak had gone beyond Hazaribagh and Patna. Therefore, today we cancel the exam on the basis of a hypothesis.
May I answer, my lord?
May not happen in future.
May I answer?
No.
When I answer, when I speak,
No, Matthew,
when I wanted to speak, your lordship prevents me.
You please sit down.
No, I'm among the lawyers here, I am the senior most.
Sorry, you're not an amicus. I have not appointed.
No, I am appearing for 10, 16 students.
All right.
When I wanted to
He
speak,
is-
the Honorable Chief Justice prevent me from speaking.
Mr.
And I have an
Matthews,
answer.
He is arguing. You will not interrupt him when he's
I am not interrupting, but I have an answer to say. I
You
have an
are-
answer to
no.
give.
You don't answer my question. He is answering the question.
Okay, then, but it's a general question. It's a
I'm
general
not
question.
telling you he's on his
No,
left.
I'm not interested in the
He is on
engagement
his
with the Honorable Chief Justice, but I wanted to say,
You please sit down. I'll have to have you removed from the court. You please sit down. I'm warning you. I'll have to have you removed from
no,
the
your
court.
lordship doesn't
Mr. Hooda,
respect me.
one second. One
I on
second.
my own will leave.
Mr. Mathews, I'm telling you one very simple thing. Mr. Hooda is engaged in a.
Your lordship have tried every best not to allow me to
You have
speak and
no
put
right,
forward my
you have no
convention.
right to intervene.
I'm not intervening, I'm leaving.
Yes.
But one thing is said, I wanted to say, I wasn't allowed to speak.
Yes, Mr. Hooda.
When I was speaking, your lordship was showing the other side.
Yes, Mr.
And I have only one word to say, only
Yes,
one word
Mr.
leaving,
Mr.
one word to
Mathews,
say.
please call the security people. Have him removed from the court, please.
I only want to answer.
You will not say anything. You will not speak to the gallery. You will listen to me. I'm in charge of my courtroom.
Listening.
You just keep quiet now. Yes, Mr. Hooda. Yes, Mr. Hooda. Yes, Mr. Hooda.
I'm leaving.
Yes, Mr. Hooda.
Unfair.
Yes, Mr. Hooda.
Mate, please.
This is not a judicial.
Mr. Mathews, I will now be constrained to issue something which is very unpleasant. Please keep quiet. Sit down here. You want to leave? It's your choice.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
You don't have
He
to.
said-
You do not have to intervene. You don't have to tell me that you are leaving. Yes.
No, because I sought permission
Anybody is- see,
I sought permission to speak.
Matthews, you will not interrupt Mr. Hooda. I will hear you, but I'll hear you after Mr. Hooda is done. I am in charge of procedure in this court. And I've seen this court, I've seen the judiciary for the last 24 years. I will not allow any lawyer to dictate the procedure of the court.
I have seen
I
the.
will give you a full hearing, but after Mr.
All
Hooda
right,
is
all right,
done.
all right.
Yes.
I have
Now
been,
please
I have,
be quiet. Yes,
I have been
Hooda.
judiciary since 1979.